on, Elliot.
Head down, look at the base, look at the base.
Oh, good job, Bo. Good throw.
Elliot, remember to look at the bag you're running at. Do not look at the ball, okay? Run. Look at the base. Look at the base.
Run.
Good hit, Samir.
Samir, way to rope it.
Miles Martin. Miles.
Listen to coach. Get over.
What was that for? Oh, like that. But you know what field we're gonna play on our final? What's that?
It's a video camera.
How do you know? Because my brother.
Run. Come on, Elliot. Let me see your wheels. Don't rush the ball.
Look at the base, not the ball.
Elliot, don't stare at the ball. You're running the bases.
Grab the bat.
Good hit.
Hey, Samir.
Done that.